Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to kind of do a little bit of a product feature. I'm thinking about adding these into kind of my roundabout of videos because I think this would be really helpful for people. And today we are going to be talking about these foiled gels. So they almost look like liquid chrome, and these are from, I'm gonna butcher this name, Saviland. Please don't. I'm sorry if I got it wrong. So this came in a beautiful box, and of course I don't have the box anymore. So I have used the gold a couple times, and I'll try to link them in the top right. But I kind of wanted to show you and then do kind of like a cute little design on my nails with these. So let's get into the one you guys have probably seen already. I think this is it. Yeah, so this is a liquid gold, and let's do a swatch as well. Okay, I love these so much. Look at that. It's straight up liquid gold. It is so beautiful and pigmented. You can see I'm literally dragging it on, and it is just going on like a dream. You could absolutely just have these on your nail as is. And I believe they cured or tack free. I'll find out in a second. Okay, next up we have blue gold. And I think I'm just going to kind of, oh my goodness, look at that. This is going to be perfect for winter time. I absolutely love a nice bluey silver color. So I envision that to be exactly what this is. Yes. I love these. So I got them off Amazon. I believe you can get them off AliExpress as well. I'll link it below for you guys, but these are absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I'm blown away by this color. I knew I liked the gold, but that blue. There's a little bit of a tack, but I think you'll be fine. Next we have silver. Look at that. That is straight up liquid silver. These hold up to the hype. Ready? Yes. You know what's gonna be really cool? I think if you had like a nice kind of sheer color to go over this, you could kind of create a colored. I'm just like, I just want to keep playing with it even though it doesn't need it. Look at that. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a dollop on the lid here so I know which one's which. I'm gonna cure that lid by itself.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh.
Now when I go in there to figure out which one's which, I got it right on top. Oh my pink. Y'all know I love a pink. I fully expected to stir more than just this one. Just saying.
Can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
Yes.
Darling, I'm just so
Ooh, I have an idea. I mean, the problem is I don't know when these videos go live because I mass film because of my, I guess he's now 11 months. I literally have stuff I think I have back in July still ready to go. Realized I was not filming. So this is the rose gold. I must have used this on a tutorial somewhere because I don't remember opening it. Really amazing. All right, here is what they look like. I think they are absolutely beautiful. They weren't fully tack-free. I did wipe them off, but they are able to use on top of enhancements and you don't need a top coat. And I'm speaking from experience, so these are so pretty, and let's get into using one. I might use this blue. The blue's kind of speaking to me. So let's do a little design and see how they perform.